Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Drive with Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this purpose, we are going to use an integration from the Apex Change. So simply go to the app launcher, click on View All, and after that, we need just to go to the Visit App Exchange. So simply from there, we will be able to go to the App Exchange store where we can find all the integrations of Salesforce. From there, you will need just to type Google Drive connector, and then we will be able to choose any one of from these. So I'm just going to go for the Google Drive connector, and simply you will need just to click on Get It Now. After that, we will need just to wait for the integration to be installed and connected with our organization. So I'm just going to install in my production. And after that, we will need just to wait for the install to finish. So I'm just going to click here and I'm going to confirm and install. After that, we will be able to start connecting our Google Drive to our Salesforce account or organization. So now it requires us to log in again and you will be able to start using your account. So now you will need just to click on install for admins only or whatever you like for your organization, and I'm just going to click on OK, and you will need just to wait for the install to be finished, and after that you will be able to use the Google Drive connector on your organization. So after it, you will go to, after the install process finishes, you will find it in the app launcher and you will need just to search for the Google Drive connector and you will have your uh, organization or your integration that will be there. So thank you for watching and see you next time.